Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy way on how to fix PayPal we are having trouble making sure it's you. So let's dive into it and look for a possible way to solve this glitch problem. So if you are facing the we are having trouble making sure it's your error on PayPal, it usually means there is a verification glitch caused by your browser or your network or probably out of dated account details. So the easiest fix is to clear your browser caches and cookies, try a different browser or the PayPal mobile app and make sure your internet connection is stable. Also ensure your account details like your phone number, your emails are updated so PayPal can confirm your identity without issue. However, if the error still persists even after those steps, it could be due to VPN or proxy usage. So turning those proxy or VPN off may help. In some rare cases, you will also need to contact the PayPal customer support to verify your identity manually. Overall, this problem is usually easy way to fix by refreshing your login environment and ensure your security information is correct. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. And also let me know in the comment section what the next problem could be.